I want the truth to come out. I want some accountability.
One step closer to accountability, a federal judge ruling the case against Oxford Community Schools, and a high school counselor as well as the dean of students at Oxford High can move forward.
The school was totally unprepared. They didn't follow any policies that they actually did have in place. They didn't have people trained to deal with it correctly. They didn't even follow common sense. You'd be hard pressed to find something that they actually did correct that day.
Steve St. Juliana is the father of Hannah St. Juliana, one of 4 students murdered in November of 2021 when Ethan Crumbley went on a shooting rampage that also injured 6 other students and a teacher. This after teachers reported he was looking at pictures of bullets on his cell phone, watching a video depicting a shooting, and even drawing a picture of a shooting victim with the phrases saying, "My life is useless, blood everywhere, help me."
This was a child who was literally crying for help on the morning of the shooting, and they had every reason to know that there was a danger.
Kevin Carlson is one of the attorneys suing Oxford Community Schools because he says school leaders met with Crumbley and his parents, told them to get him into counseling, and threatened to report them to Child Protective Services. Yet they never even checked Crumbley's backpack before sending him back to class with his gun safely inside.
They had the danger neutralized. I mean, they had him in the office separated from the backpack, and they chose a very dangerous path by doing what they did.
Why didn't they search the backpack? Had they done that the day of this incident, none of this would have happened. The whole thing would have been absolutely prevented like it should have been.
Attorney Ben Johnson represents the families of several other victims.
We can move forward and start taking those depositions and ask and answer, I should say, the questions that you've been asking, that we, the parents, have been asking from day one is why, how, who, and this is going to absolutely open the door for us to get some real answers about that.
A long road ahead, but for the victims and their families, a step in the right direction.
I think it's important for everyone to finally hear what really happened that day.
We all know that this school absolutely played a role in what happened here, and they need to be held accountable just like anybody else.
In Southfield, Amy Lang, Fox 2 News.